In this video, we're going to talk about third-party charting on our new Simrad operating system. So currently we have our CMAP Reveal X card loaded in here. You can see it based on the purple outline, which is, again, Gulf of America and Florida and the Bahamas, which gives us really nice definition, both satellite, bathymetrics, and navigation. What I'm going to show you is how you can run a CMAP Reveal X on one side of the screen and then bring in the Seymour mapping on the other side of the screen, so you can see the comparisons and you can see the benefits of utilizing both at the same time. So running third-party charting and CMAP Reveal charting at the same time, very easy. We have it behind the door here and behind the gasket, we have dual SD card reader. So we're able to load in two charts at the same time. That's how we're going to show you today. Seymour charting and CMAP Reveal X charting working in tandem together on the new NSS 416. So I'm going to come into my main menu here. I'm going to come down here. I'm going to create a new split. I'm going to bring over two chart icons. And I'm going to run those side by side. You can run them top to bottom, but in this instance, we're going to run them side by side. I'm going to save that. And you're going to see that I have two of the CMAP Reveal X windows up here. So for this demonstration, I'm going to come over here. I'm going to go to chart source on my right-hand pane. And you're going to see Seymour mapping and the Seymour mapping part number here. I'm going to click on that. It's going to tell you that this, give you a little bit of a warning here. You're going to dismiss that. And now we have our CMAP mapping, Seymour mapping on the right-hand side, and we have our navigation and CMAP Reveal X on the left-hand side here. So again, all the benefits of the navigational aspects of this, the high-res bathymetrics, the satellite overlay. But on the other side, we have what Seymour has really done a good job of, is created these really high-resolution areas for the CMAP, the Seymour floor bottom. And the other nice thing is you still get to see your waypoints overlaying on the Seymour card. So some of these areas, even if you wanted to save a waypoint over here because you wanted to go fish this particular area, you can add that waypoint and it saves it to the unit. It doesn't save it to the chart. So whether I'm looking at my CMAP Reveal X card or I'm looking at my Seymour card, that waypoint is always going to show up on either source. So again, just a really nice way of us integrating with some of our third-party partners, and Seymour has done a really nice job with their seafloor data, super high resolution, and really a great partnership for us, and works very well with our CMAP cartography.